Good morning, students. In previous class, we discussed about the continental drift theory. Continental drift theory is given by the German geographer, German climatologist. The name is Alfred Wegener in 1912. In 1912. After that, we discussed about the arguments in favor of facts in favor of continental drift theory, and it is proved that the continental drift now at the present time the continental drift is continuous. On the base of the continental drift theory, many geographer express their views about the continental drift. At last we can say that ocean and the continents continuously drift continuously dip found continuously here the spreading in the oceans. Here they change their places नहीं, but यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? First is this mapping of the ocean floor. What is here the mapping of the ocean floor? Then we discuss about the ocean floor. What was in our mind here? The oceans, consider that is oceans, and what here the land parts, and here ocean. Then what in oceans? जैसे ही ऐसा होता है क्या लैंड पार्ट से यहाँ पे गए और डायरेक्ट हियर द ओशियंस वाटर एंड अदर totally here the plain here this note here the found the many type of the relief in the ocean part, many type of the relief in this ocean floor. In this ocean floor here also found the slope, here also found the slope, here also found the sunk part of the continent, coastal part of the continent, and then here the slope also found. Then here the many type of mountains, many type of ridges also found in ocean part, and the trenches also found in the oceanic part. The many type of the relief found in the oceanic part. Here the not plain region, also some plain region also found in oceanic part. Plain regions, ridge here है ना, like here the mountains here also found in oceanic part. Ocean floor also found here, the trenches also found here, the slope also found here, the coastal region in oceanic parts here. So many type of the reliefs found in the oceanic part here, and that is related to the mapping of the ocean floor in the the part of the hydrosphere. In this book we will study in next part of hydrosphere. Here oceanic floor configuration. Oceanic floor configuration. What is here the oceanic floor configuration? Ocean floor may be segmented divided into three major division. Based on the depth as well as the forms of relief. In all these are the major divisions based on the depth का मतलब पता है आपको गहराई, and the as well as the forms of the relief, and found different type of relief in this part. First are the continental margins. Second is the abyssal plain and the mid oceanic ridge. In the mid oceanic ridge, so first here continental margins. Here the found the continent shelf, continental slope, continental rise, deep oceanic trenches in the oceanic floor. So different type of relief found in this oceanic trench, continental margins. Like here in this oceanic part, here the oceanic part, then this part is the content, this part here the coastal regions of this part. जैसे ये लैंड पार्ट है, लैंड पार्ट यहाँ पे डूबा हुआ ना, सैंक इन द वाटर. दिस पार्ट इज नोन एज द कॉन्टिनेंटल शेल्फ. This part here they have the slope. This part is known as the continental slope, and here the upper part in this ocean, like that is called the continental rise. In the deep ocean also found in deep trenches, also found in the sea floor. ठीक है, in oceans here. So clear here. This forms the transition between continental shores and the deep sea basin. So all these are the shores between the continental shore, जो continental shore किनारा होता है, और deep sea basin. Clear? Second, here the abyssal plains. Abyssal plain lie between the continental margins and mid oceanic ridge. So here in ocean part, here also found the mid oceanic ridge, and here the continental margin. This is the continental margin, and here the plain region between them, between mid oceanic ridge and the continental margin, that is known as the abyssal plain here. और abyssal plain कैसे बनेगा? What the process of the form of the abyssal plain? Then here the rivers of the land parts carry the many type of the sediments. Then the rivers deposit here the sediments, and here the form the abyssal plain here. And last here the mid oceanic ridge, chain of mountains. Chain of mountain. So here chain of mountain found in the mid part of the ocean, that is the mid oceanic ridge. So first here the continental margins, second abyssal plain, and the mid ocean ridge. Here the example of the mid oceanic ridge in the Atlantic Ocean. Like here in Atlantic Ocean, here this part is North America continent, and this part is here South America continent, and here Africa continent, and here the European continent, and this part here the mid Atlantic ridge. What is here the mid Atlantic ridge? Here the example of the mid oceanic ridge, mid Atlantic ridge. Here the found the ridge part, then here the volcanic eruption, then lava, here fusion, and the many type of ridge, here the mountains form here. And this type of the ridge is known as the mid oceanic ridge. Clear? And last part of this here now sea floor spreading. This sea floor spreading concept is given by Harry Hess in 1961. What here this concept is given by the Harry Hess in 1961. This concept, this theory is also known as a father of founder of plate tectonic theory. Sea floor spreading theory given by the Harry Hess in 1961, and this is known as a father of plate tectonic theory. In next lecture we discuss about the plate tectonic theory, and plate tectonic theory is based on the sea floor spreading theory. What is sea floor spreading theory? Then here two landmass here found. Here the two landmass here, the first landmass, second here the landmass, then here the water part, between the landmass. One many type of the ridge also found here, and trenches also found here in this. Clear? And what happened? Then here the volcanic eruption. जब यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Volcanic eruption. Then found here the many here the ridge cracks here. Cracks found here. Then here the cracks found here. Then volcanic eruption होगा तो हो. Then here the volcanic eruption से then lava क्या करेगा? इसे complete lava क्या कर रहा है? इसको fill कर रहा है. Then here the consent the eruption at the crest. जो crest से mean क्या हो रहा है? That is the ridge crest also of oceanic ridge. जो ridge है उसकी जो crest है, cause the इसे बोलेंगे rupture of the oceanic crust, and इससे क्या हो रहा है? Then here the ये जो cracks हैं यहाँ से लावा बाहर निकल रहा है, then और ये कहाँ पे जाएगा? That is ये यहाँ, ठीक है, बाहर निकलेगा तो what happened here there? This floor is spreading. बाहर निकल रहा है, यहाँ पे मार्जिन्स बनते जा रहे हैं बड़े और मार्जिन्स बनते हैं तो इसका रिजल्ट क्या हो रहा है? मार्जिन्स फिल भी हो रहे हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या होता जा रहा है? दैट इज हियर द व्हाट हियर द लास्ट लाइन wedges into it. ठीक है, न्यू लावा wedges into it and pushing, लावा जब इसमें फिल हो रहा है क्या कर रहा है, एट पुशिंग द ओशनिक क्रस्ट आइदर साइड, पुशिंग द ओशनिक क्रस्ट, ये ओशनिक क्रस्ट को क्या कर रहा है, दोनों साइड क्या कर रहा है, पुश कर रहा है, ठीक है, द ओशनिक क्रस्ट पुशिंग बोथ साइड आइदर साइड, व्हाट वाज द रिजल्ट, एंड हियर जब ये पुश कर रहा है तो होना क्या है यहाँ पे, द ओशनिक जो क्रस्ट है, ओशनिक क्रस्ट क्या होगा, इंक्रीज हियर द ओशनिक क्रस्ट, देन हियर द ओशनिक क्रस्ट, दैट इज मीन सी फ्लोर स्प्रेडिंग, ओशनिक क्रस्ट pushing the oceanic crust, so what was the result, sea floor spreading found here, sea floor spreading found here, and this theory is given by the Harris in 1961. So what, the oceanic floor thus spreading, the oceanic floor thus spreading, then here the pushing the oceanic crust either side, the younger age of oceanic crust found, the younger age of oceanic crust, here the comparison with the continental ridge, comparison with the कॉन्टिनेंटल क्रस्ट, जो कॉन्टिनेंटल क्रस्ट और ओशनिक क्रस्ट है, इसमें नया क्या है, यंगर कौन सा है, तो यंगर इज ओशनिक क्रस्ट, तो ओशनिक क्रस्ट इज यंगर देन, ओशनिक क्रस्ट इज यंगर देन कॉन्टिनेंटल crust, and many type of the ridge also found in the ocean, and this oceanic ridge is new than continental ridge, okay, this theory is the founder या father of the plate tectonic theory.